Okay, while waiting, I'm just gonna get my coffee fix for today. So you're going to need pandan leaves. You're going to need a smaller pot, then your instant pot liner, which goes in the instant pot, and then this pot goes in here. You're going to need your bird's nest. This is about 4 pieces of bird's nest. And you're going to need your trivet well. So this goes in here. Okay. So I haven't really found any other recipes on YouTube that shows me how to cook the bird's nest in the instant pot. So I'm gonna have to play around with the timing and the amount of water to put inside this double pot as well. Okay, so I'm gonna try with 4 cups of water. I don't like my bird's nest too dense, so maybe 5 cups of water instead. So with the pressure cooker, we know that the liquid is not going to reduce by a lot, so it's going to be around about the same amount. Okay, so always remember to put water into your instant pot as well at the base. So I'll be putting maybe 2 cups of water. So, but we're also putting in 1 piece of red date. I don't really like the taste. So what you do is you take a dish and then you soak it with water to soften it. Okay, and then you need some rock sugar for later. So it kind of looks like this. These are honey rock sugar. Okay. Alright, so for this one, once it's soaked, you just need to cut through and then remove the center, this over here. Okay, remove this because it's bitter. I like to cut mine into slightly smaller pieces, maybe, oops, this size. Right, that would do. Guys, here comes the fun part. I am gonna put the bird's nest inside the pot. So first I need to drain off the water that it's in here carefully. Okay, and this is what's left, the bird's nest. They're all nice and clean. So I'll put them in here. Okay. Like I mentioned, I don't like them too dense. So I'm putting in 5 cups of water. So it kind of looks like this. Whoopsie! So this is what my bird's nest looks like with 5 cups of water. Okay, and then in goes the dates as well. And the pandan leaf. I'll put this pot in inside the pot with the trivet. Okay, so this is how it should look like in your Instant Pot. Let's switch it on and have a look. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see if it covers. Yep. Okay, and then put it to sealing. Okay, so I'm gonna put to the steam function and let it steam for say 20 minutes. And that's it. So I'm just waiting for it to come up to pressure. It does take a while, but it definitely is shorter cooking time than using my slow cooker. So I'm hoping this works. Hey guys, so like I mentioned, I can't exactly find any other YouTube videos showing me how to make this bird's nest using my pressure cooker, my Instant Pot. So today I'm just having a play around with it and hopefully it works. I'm using the steam function on the Instant Pot. So steaming the bird's nest, 4 pieces of it in about 4 to 5 cups of water for 20 minutes. Okay, it's come to pressure, so off we go. 20 minutes, steam function. See you guys in 20 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes is up. I'm just gonna let it sit for maybe 10 minutes and then release the pressure. So what I usually do with my Instant Pot after it finishes cooking, I like to turn off the main power. Somehow this little knob over here releases its pressure faster. I don't know if it's legit, but I just do it that way. That's just my way of doing it. You guys can go ahead, leave it on for say 10 minutes and then release the pressure here manually, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. So I've been waiting for about 20 minutes and I'm gonna release the pressure a little bit over here. Ready? when I'm feeling very impatient, I'll usually just take something to release the pressure gently. So I'll just gently just hold it there and let whatever air out. Alright, so this is done. Just waiting for the pressure knob to go down before I open up the pressure cooker to check. Okay, so the pressure nozzle over here is down. It should be safe to open. Let's have a look. Wow. Guys, I think it's a success. Wow. So let me put this down. Okay, so for the last step, we just need to put in the rock sugar. So as I mentioned, I don't like it too dense, so this is just nice for me. So this is 5 cups of water. Now as it's still hot, I'm gonna put in the rock sugar. Maybe just 2 of these. 1. And then let it sit. As the rock sugar sort of dissolves, you just need to taste it to see if it's sweet enough. And then I usually just pop it in the fridge for maybe half a day just to have it cold. Okay guys, I'm just gonna fish out the pandan leaves. I don't like putting it inside, so we're just gonna fish it out and then taste it to see if it tastes sweet enough. I'm gonna try it to see if it's sweet enough. Yeah, I think that it is all for today, guys. So I feel like it's a success. I'll show you guys once more. So guys, I feel like it's a success. It takes way less time to cook the bird's nest in my pressure cooker. So 20 minutes steam function versus using my slow cooker that would take me say 5 hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful to you. Please do like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!